Hey, Alex. Thanks for joining me today.
Hey, Jamie. Happy to be here.
So, today's topic is something everyone wants to know. How long did it take you to speak English fluently?
The million-dollar question. Everyone asked me this.
And what's the answer?
Well, it depends on what you mean by fluently.
Oh no, you're going to make this complicated, aren't you?
Maybe a little. But seriously, let me explain. There are different levels of fluency.
Okay, break it down for us.
All right. So, to speak basic conversational English, that took me about 6 months.
6 months? That's it?
Yes, but remember basic, conversational, like ordering food, asking directions, simple daily talk.
I see. What about intermediate level?
Intermediate took me about 1 year. That's when I could have longer conversations, discuss my opinions, tell stories.
And to speak fluently? Like, really fluently?
That took me about 2 years. 2 full years of consistent practice.
2 years. That's actually not that long.
Right? Most people think it takes 5 or 10 years, but no, 2 years is realistic.
But Alex, be honest. Were you practicing every single day?
Oh, you caught me. Yes, every single day. No breaks, no excuses.
Wow, that's dedication.
Well, I was motivated. I had a big reason to learn.
What was your reason?
I wanted to study abroad. I needed English for my university application.
Ah, so you had a clear goal.
Exactly. Having a goal makes everything easier.
Okay, let's go back to the beginning. When did you start learning English?
I started when I was 15 years old.
15? That's a good age to start.
Yes, but here's the thing. I had studied English in school since I was 10.
Wait, so you studied for 5 years already?
Yes, but I couldn't speak at all
How is that possible?
because in school we only learned grammar and vocabulary. We never practiced speaking.
Oh, the classic problem.
Exactly. So at 15, I decided to actually learn to speak, not just memorize rules.
What did you do differently?
I changed everything, my whole approach.
Tell me about your first 3 months.
Okay, so month one, I was terrible.
How terrible.
I could barely introduce myself. I would say, "My name is Alex. I am student. I like play soccer."
No articles, no gerunds.
Nothing. But I practiced every day. 30 minutes every day.
What did you practice?
I watched YouTube videos, slow English videos, cartoons, simple conversations,
Did you understand much?
maybe 20%, but I kept watching.
And month two?
Month two, I started speaking to myself out loud.
Like talking to a mirror?
Exactly. Every morning, I described my plans for the day.
In English?
in broken English, but yes, I tried.
Did anyone think you were crazy?
Oh, my family definitely thought I was crazy. My brother once asked, "Why are you talking to yourself?"
What did you say?
I said, "I'm practicing English." He just shook his head and walked away.
That's hilarious. And month 3?
Month 3 was a turning point.
What happened?
I found a language exchange partner online
How did you find them?
through a language learning app. Her name was Emma from Canada.
And you talked with Emma?
Yes, every week we video called for 30 minutes.
How was your first call?
Oh my God, it was so awkward.
Awkward how?
I was so nervous. My hands were shaking. My voice was shaking. I kept saying, and
But you survived?
barely. But Emma was so patient. She smiled and encouraged me.
That's nice.
After that first call, I felt alive. Like I actually spoke English with a real person.
Let's pause here and practice some sentences. Everyone repeat after us.
I started learning when I was 15.
I practiced 30 minutes every day.
I watched slow English videos.
I found a language exchange partner.
My first call was awkward but exciting.
Great job. Let's continue. Alex, after 3 months, what was your level?
After 3 months, I could have very basic conversations, like, "How are you? What's your name? Where are you from?"
Simple questions and answers.
Yes, but I felt proud. 3 months before, I couldn't even do that.
Progress. So what about months 4 to 6?
Months 4 to 6, I increased my practice time,
How much time?
1 hour per day, sometimes more.
1 hour? What did you do in that hour?
30 minutes listening to podcasts, 30 minutes speaking practice.
Speaking practice? With Emma?
With Emma, yes, but also with myself.
Still talking to the mirror?
Always. The mirror never judges you.
True. Did you notice improvement?
Oh, yes. By month 6, I could talk about my hobbies, my family, my daily routine.
That's great progress.
I was so happy. I remember calling my mom and speaking English to her.
Did she understand?
No, she doesn't speak English at all.
So why did you do it?
Just to show her I could. She was so confused, but also proud.
That's sweet. Okay, so 6 months in, you reached basic conversational level. What about months 7 to 12?
Ah, this is where things got harder
Harder? Why?
because I hit a plateau.
What's a plateau?
It's when you stop improving, you feel stuck.
Did that happen to you?
Yes, around month 8, I felt like I wasn't getting better.
That must have been frustrating.
Very frustrating. I thought, maybe I've reached my limit.
But you didn't give up.
No, I talked to Emma about it.
What did Emma say?
She said, "Alex, This is normal. Everyone hits a plateau. You need to challenge yourself more.
Challenge yourself how?
She told me to stop watching simple videos, start watching normal movies and TV shows.
Without subtitles?
With English subtitles first, then slowly remove them.
Did that help?
It was difficult at first. I couldn't understand much.
But you kept trying?
Every day, I watched one episode of a TV show every day.
Which show?
Friends. Everyone watches Friends to learn English.
It's a classic. Did it help?
So much. After 2 months, I started understanding jokes, idioms, natural speech.
That's when you broke through the plateau?
Exactly. By month 12, I could understand about 70% of normal conversations.
70%? That's impressive.
I was proud, but I still wasn't fluent.
What was missing?
Speed and confidence. I could understand, but I spoke slowly. I had to think before every sentence.
Let's practice more sentences. Repeat after us, everyone.
I hit a plateau around month 8.
I started watching TV shows in English.
Friends helped me learn natural speech.
After 1 year, I understood 70%.
I could understand, but spoke slowly.
Excellent. So, Alex, tell us about year 2, months 13 to 24.
Year 2 was all about speed and fluency.
How did you work on speed?
I did something called shadowing.
Shadowing. What's that?
You listen to someone speaking English, and you repeat immediately after them, like their shadow.
Repeat everything they say?
Yes, word by word, trying to match their speed and pronunciation.
That sounds challenging.
It was. But it works. After 3 months of shadowing, my speaking speed doubled.
Doubled? Wow.
I couldn't believe it myself. Suddenly, I wasn't thinking before speaking. Words just came out.
That must have felt amazing.
It did. I remember having a conversation with Emma, and she said, "Alex, you sound so natural now."
That must have made you happy.
I almost cried. 2 years of hard work finally paying off.
So, after 2 years, you were fluent.
Yes, I could speak confidently, quickly, and naturally.
Could you understand everything?
Not everything. Even native speakers don't understand everything.
True.
But I could understand about 90% of normal conversations. Movies, podcasts, daily life.
And you could express yourself clearly?
Yes, I could discuss complex topics, share opinions, tell jokes.
Tell jokes. That's advanced.
I know. That's when I knew I was fluent. When I could make people laugh in English.
That's beautiful. Alex, let me ask you this. If you could go back, would you do anything differently?
Yes, I would start speaking earlier.
Earlier? But you started at month 3.
I should have started at month 1. Even with terrible English, I should have spoken.
Why?
Because speaking is the fastest way to improve. Listening helps, but speaking forces you to use the language.
Good advice. What else?
I would make more mistakes.
More mistakes?
Yes, I was so afraid of mistakes. But mistakes are how you learn.
True. Any other advice?
Don't compare yourself to others. Some people learn faster, some slower. Focus on your own progress.
That's wise.
And celebrate small wins. Every new word, every good conversation, celebrate it.
I love that. Now, let's review important words from today.
Word number 1. Fluently, meaning speaking smoothly and easily. Example, after 2 years, Alex spoke English fluently.
Word number 2. Plateau, meaning a period when you stop improving. Example, I hit a plateau at month 8.
Word number 3. Conversational, meaning related to informal talking. Example, I reached conversational level in 6 months.
Word number 4. Dedication, meaning commitment and hard work. Example, learning English requires dedication.
Word number 5. Challenge, meaning something difficult that tests you. Example, watching movies without subtitles was a challenge.
Word number 6. Shadowing, meaning repeating immediately after someone speaks. Example, shadowing helped me improve my speed.
Now, useful phrases.
Phrase number 1. It depends on. Use this to show something varies. Example, how long it takes depends on your practice time.
Phrase number 2. I hit a plateau. Use this when you stop improving. Example, at month 8, I hit a plateau.
Phrase number 3. Words just came out. Use this when speaking becomes automatic. Example, after practice, words just came out naturally.
Phrase number 4. Pay off, meaning to bring good results. Example, my hard work finally paid off.
Now, answer these questions out loud. Question 1. How long have you been learning English?
Question 2. What is your goal? Basic, intermediate, or fluent?
Question 3. How much time can you practice every day?
Question 4. What will you do differently after hearing Alex's story?
Great practice, everyone. Alex, thank you so much for sharing your timeline with us.
Thank you for having me, Jamie. This was fun.
Your story gives people realistic expectations.
That's important. People think fluency takes forever, but 2 years of consistent practice, that's achievable.
Absolutely. Everyone listening, remember Alex's journey. 6 months for basic, 1 year for intermediate, 2 years for fluent.
But only if you practice every day.
Yes, no shortcuts.
No shortcuts, but definitely possible.
If Alex can do it,
You can do it too.
in our next video, we'll discuss daily practice routines.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.
Practice English every day, and you'll see results.
Keep learning, keep growing.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone. Happy learning.
Goodbye.